All right, welcome to Pitbull Capital. We are excited to have you. So, if you're watching this, you joined one of our paid alert services usually, and I want to make sure that you start the right way. So, first, glad you're here. We work hard to provide high quality trade ideas, strong setups, and a process that is proven to win and has produced very strong results over an extended period of time. I do need you to hear this before anything else, though. So there will be losing trades. We have a great win rate, we have great profit factor, but that doesn't mean that we win 100% of the time. There is no perfect strategy out there that wins 100% of the time. If you find it, let me know. I guarantee you won't. There will be losing trades. Not maybe, not possibly. There will be losers. There's not a single fund manager or alert service, computer system, AI, or algorithm that wins 100% of the time. So the goal is not to win every trade. The goal is to follow a system that is profitable, that gives you an edge, that helps you manage risk, and to stay in the game long enough for that edge to play out and for you to have a decent profit factor and great returns over the next 50 to 100 trades. So that is the difference between gambling and trading. Nobody wins 100% of the time. The edge lives in the series, not in a single trade. The difference between gambling and trading. Now, a lot of people make the same mistake when they join an alert service. They start small, they follow the rules, they listen. I'm not saying that part's a mistake, that part's right. They have early success. Then, what often happens is people get overconfident. So I've had 3 or 4 people recently who got in and we just hit win after win after win after win. They're sitting there thinking we're not going to lose, right? Small sample size. We do have a successful win rate. We do have a very high profit factor. But if you get overconfident and you went $100 in each of the first 5 trades, and then you win all 5 trades, and so you're like, wow, I'm up $400 on a $100 investment. I'm going to go in $400 on this trade, and then that's the one that loses. It's very dangerous. That win streak being too aggressive can cause you to be overconfident and lose all of your gains and then some if you don't play it right, if you don't play it smart. So that's why we focus so much on allocating the right amount of capital to each trade. 2 trades is not a good sample size. 100 trades is a great sample size. Okay, so think in 100 trades and think in process. So think of what we can control, not what we can't control. So we can't control the market. We can't control headlines. We can't control fake outs, choppy price action, random volatility. What we can control is our process, and our process is proven successful. So we control our position size. We control whether we follow the plan. We control whether we chase or not, whether we accept the loss and move on or revenge trade. We control whether we think like professionals or react like amateurs. And that's the mind state that you have to bring here in order to be successful. Don't judge the service on 1 trade. Don't judge the service on 5 trades. Judge it on 100 trades and control your risk. That is why capital allocation matters so much and following the system matters so much. Professional traders know that losses are part of the game. So we're going to teach you that. They're not going to panic after 1 loss. We're going to teach you how to not panic. We're not going to double down after an emotional, high emotion win. And we're not going to abandon our systems just because the market doesn't pay us today. So process over emotion is always something that we are going to reiterate in every one of our services. This matters. Following rules, following the system, doing things the right way. It works because of the process that we follow, not because of any other magic out there. And if you want the best chance of success, you need to follow that process too. So there's pin posts in every single room that you need to read, that you need to watch. Simple videos, nothing too long, nothing too crazy, nothing you can't handle. I'm not asking you to invest a ton of time here. All right. So welcome to Pitbull Capital. We are super happy to have you. Do the research, learn first so you can earn. Second, be smart about it. Control your losses, follow the systems, follow the process. So don't get too excited, don't get overconfident, don't get too down on yourself either. Losses happen, totally normal. Stick with us for the long run. You can see all of our trades are tracked. All of our trades have verifiable entries and exits and exact profit and everything. So if you have any questions about whether our systems work or not, I highly recommend you look into those. In our history of results, you can see that there are some losers in there, far more winners, far bigger winners than losers. And not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I am a profitable trader, though, which is rare enough. So heed what I say and control risk. Don't do anything silly. And feel free to ask questions, get active. Uh, Trading involves risk. That's the main point of this video. Be smart about it. We're here to help. And good luck. Although you won't need it, follow the system, follow the process. That's where it's at. Welcome.